Fun story, they can't see, but my zipper's not in the middle of my pants.
That sounds like a personal problem. Oh, man. Well, today is Saturday, and we are here. It's snowing again. Goodness.
This has to be the longest winter ever.
And it's supposed to be like this next week, too. They're forecasting about 4 inches of snow next week, like late April.
It's awesome.
I mean, if you were a skier...
This is come out and ski and put a mortgage on your ski lift tickets. Because that's what it is now. I can't, Today is putting up as much drywall as we can, and
this area.
So we're gonna be closing in everything, and hopefully get it to where we can maybe start taping and mudding tomorrow.
That'd be good.
Yep.
Well, if we can get a lot more paint done this weekend, that'd be great.
Paint would be great. So we're just cruising for a bruising.
Turn this way.
We found these shims, and we're not sure why, but they were making the ceiling not flat. And so, trying to figure out why they were there and what to do about them. Because if we put drywall right there, on this area, because if we put drywall here, then this bottom part of it wouldn't be level. Hey, Patricio!
Yo!
Are you putting on the last little piece?
Well, we have one little one.
Well, tiny. Okay. That's the tiny piece. You're putting on the last little piece.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Looking good, dude. Nice job.
It's good. It's really good.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Dude, what are we looking at?
A curved ceiling.
Look at that. Look how curved that is.
Brought it down. So this 2x4, which is on the middle of a wall, is lower than the rafter. And so instead of figuring out how to raise this a little bit and drywall it properly, they brought the drywall down.
There's no camera tricks. That's all. What you're seeing is actual curve.
Yeah.
Here's another one. The ceiling just goes weird. Just takes a dive. Boo! Snow! It's late April. This is bowed up, which is going to prevent this from sliding back. So let's just cut that off real quick. Okay. Okay. All right. Take two. It's gonna have to happen. One of us is gonna have to go to the ceiling, and push down on this, so this will go under this right there. This is a lot of fun.
What?
What?
This is not gonna work.
Boo!
Unless you cut out. Is there any way you can give me that tool?
Come over here and hold this up.
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1. I got it.
Okay.
Well, what about over here? Like, see? What about this?
Yeah, we're gonna have to just patch it.
All right, whatever.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. It's in over here. It's good.
Yeah. And I think that's what we want. And then we'll just need to get it as close to this as possible.
Oh man, something's pitching on here in the middle.
That's because the wall's stupid.
Mother. Dude, this is so far away.
I know. I know.
Oh, it's not good.
Nice bowed ceiling.
Yeah, right.
Your favorite. You want me to
Make it right underneath
Let me
it
do
and
it.
open my mouth.
Let me do it.
Okay, let it down here, just a bit. Perfect, that's it. Oh, man. This. Oh my word. That ceiling dips down over an inch in the last 10 inches.
Oh man.
Look at this. Just look at that. Boo for drywall on the ceiling. Drywall, when it's supposed to be like this, does not need to be like this. That is no good.
Hey, go video out the front.
Let's go check out the snow. Hey, here's our dear friends. This is pretty heavy snow. Look at this curve. That is no good. Oh shoot! Oh gosh. Tired. Right here. We did it. All right, now. Oh, perfect. ready to be done with this. I don't even know where to go. Oh man. We need a whizzle wazzle. Okay, here it comes. Back at my face. There we go. Of course, this drywall, I mean the 2x4, whatever I'm doing here, is sticking way a lot higher than what. Then there's a gap. I can't even talk. Oh,
It's the best curvy drywall I've ever seen.
oh my word. I'm ashamed. Ashamed!
This is the end of an era.
This hole's did a good run for us.
Really wish we'd never opened it up.
Okay. Oh man, my eyeballs. If it was easy, it wouldn't be this place.
Just for the record, this is all getting covered over with wood. So we really don't care what it looks like.
Just so you know, we're both really tall. Oh gosh. That's it for today.
Hey, guess what, Matt?
What?
There's more
Oh
snow!
gosh. It looks nice.
It does look pretty.
That's where it ends. Golly. I guess another benefit is it provides good lighting for our videos.
Yeah, it's like a white sheet of reflection.
I'm generally tired. How about you?
I'm also tired. I'd rather be demoing, I think, than doing this stuff.
Oh, this is a pain. Well, you know, it's hard to tell when you're demoing that the builder should lose their license. It's only when you go to put it back together and measurements matter that you realize how incompetent.
Hey, you know it's a really good construction? Where the walls are a half of an inch shorter than the ceilings.
Or more.
Or more. So you have to curve the drywall.
Saturday, good day.
Yep.
We'll make some more progress this week. Oh, yeah, guess what? It might snow again next week, so, you know, who knows? We might have more days that are weather days. So, another fun day at Forest Bend.
Fun day Saturday.